up to pick up an Avalanche. Caleb went up and scouted it this morning. Rode up by Squaw Peak. Is that right?
Yeah, but it's not called Squaw Peak anymore. They changed the name to Kiev Peak.
So up by Squaw Peak.
He won't listen to me. You're not listening 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 to me.
And it is really icy up there. Pull it back on the road, should be able to drive it back out. So we'll see how it goes.
Enjoy the show.
Right? Right?
Oh yeah.
We got Donnie and little Donnie with us. Huh.
Big D and little D.
We got him pulled out, and on our way out, coming down the hill. Yep. We're headed up. It's getting nice and slickery now. The road's still icy. There, right there is the Avalanche off the side.
So I'm thinking,
and get the tires off down in the ditch over here.
let's see how much traction I actually have. Because if I have decent traction to turn around, then we can always winch to one of these big trees, and then I'm not worried about this.
Just snatch block.
Yeah, now we're feeling it.
Yeah. It's definitely icy. And the front locker works but leaks real bad. Rear locker doesn't work at all.
Yeah, rear locker came apart the very first time I engaged it.
Should we look and see if there's a tree big enough to just keep this down on the downhill side and snatch block off of it straight over to it? That way,
there is, yeah.
That way,
I saw it.
I'm gonna hop out. This is just polished. Oh yeah, look at that. That is polished. Not that you have a choice, but yeah, keep it just like that.
I can still polish the top though.
Which is funny because all four tires are sliding. Well, I guess the other two aren't, and the other two are on white stuff, not on the polished stuff. Yeah, yeah, you can see you get on the white stuff, and there's a little traction, but this polished stuff, there's nothing. You're good. You got lots of room. That's the Avalanche. It's pretty steep. It's gonna be a hard pull. Well, I'm just thinking it's down far enough that it's gonna, I mean, that line's gonna be digging into the bank hard unless this is close.
Well,
we might
use the boom line. That's why I was thinking of doing
well,
this.
if you could get sideways here and get the front tires in the ditch.
That's exactly what I was talking about.
Okay.
I don't think maybe we weren't on the same page.
I was thinking getting it turned this way and snatch blocking, but we don't need to do that.
I wasn't planning on
okay.
snatch blocking. No, I was thinking the boom for the angle reason that you brought up.
Yeah.
Do we want to go talk to them and just ask them to leave?
Yeah. he's gonna park over there and they're gonna walk up. So just gonna back up that way and then nose the nose down in the ditch and run the winch line to that group of trees, then run the boom winch line down to the Avalanche. You might have to air down. Might be better just air the tires down now. Yeah. I'll just start airing them down now.
If I left my foot on the brake, I can slide it.
Yeah. Now we'll see what it does. We only went down to like 15. So, howdy. So we're actually pulling a vehicle that's off the side right now because this road is just a sheet of ice all the way up. Hopefully you can get going again. It's really icy. Real light throttle, don't let them spin. Let off just a little bit so the tires will start rolling. Just let off just a hair. So main thing is you don't want the tires to spin. So real light throttle, and if they start spinning, let off a little bit. When it starts sliding all 4 tires, let off the brakes just a little bit, because while the tires are rolling a little, they'll have more traction than if they're just stopped. They'll just slide. Real light. Just like that. Okay, let off. It'll slide a little bit, but it'll grab traction again. Okay. It's gonna slide to the side. Whoa, that's a real slippery spot. Now you're gonna grab traction. See how as soon as the tire got into that white stuff, it stopped? Because the white stuff has traction and the slick stuff doesn't. So, okay. Just hold it. It's gonna hit you. That's what increase is for. There will be a little bit of adrenaline in your system. Just take deep breaths. No big deal. Just take deep breaths. It's fine, don't worry about it. Insurance will cover it. That's slick.
It's just a sheet of ice.
Yeah, there's nothing.
I tried lots of different things. There's nothing I could do to change it.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to probably tie off the rear winch and pull myself up.
Probably. It's not too bad. He's gonna go up to that group of trees there, or
I was thinking Jeep.
I think it'll just pull the Jeep.
It's got 2 tires.
Is that the one we're driving down?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then with this helping, I think
We can give it a try. I don't know if we want to put any more pressure than that, or just enough so it doesn't roll and we can get them out of the way, or
I don't know. Let me give it some help as we pull it back, and we can get it. Put the key off.
way to the passenger side. Yes. Hold it right there. Okay. Now put it in drive, and you're in drive. Come forward just a little bit. Do you want me to do it? Okay, just... If he keeps going and keeps ahead of steam, he might be alright if he keeps his momentum up. But if he slows down, he'll just spin his tires. Oh, now he's spinning.
Oh my gosh.
If you can get your driver tire forward another 8 inches, you can get some purchase.
I'm trying to keep the whole thing this way, so I don't get all the way out in the ice.
But down here, you've got more purchase, so. New tires are on the rear.
You want to add no traction. But as long as they keep the right two in the powdery stuff and ease real slowly, should be fine.
Now with that Jeep there, not there, we can get up on this flat spot. So I can put it at more of an angle, but then I won't be able to drive forward.
Okay.
But we can move as we go.
You want a short bridle on the two tow hooks?
I think so. What are you thinking? Chevys are usually open.
So we could probably just take a 10-footer, hook on each one.
Or one of those purple ones. 6-footer. Because I got one of those in that truck. And that one.
10-footer's probably fine. We have good memory.
Spread that through.
If we double up to 10-foot, that's a lot of bridle.
Or you think it'll be fine?
Well, I think by the time this gets there, you're gonna have to pull
don't
down
do that.
lane.
Okay.
I'll get in it.
Yeah, it already started
It's already
sliding.
sliding.
Is that a yes?
You want me to try and start it?
I think it could only help.
Dad, is it videoing? Dad, it's not
I would put it in
videoing.
gear and
You gotta push
just
the red.
don't spin
I
them,
thought
but
you
get it
had it
as much as you can without spinning.
Alright, son.
No four-wheel drive?
Nope. I don't think so.
In case that truck slips.
I'm back in it.
Watch out, here comes the truck.
Is that thing moving at all yet?
No.
Dad, I'm actually
Yeah.
Okay, hold on, Ben.
Okay, I'm holding brake.
Where,
All right,
man?
Ben, we're going to be rigging for a minute if you want to come up. Okay, is this remote hooked up, Dad?
It is.
You ready to go then? Are you locked in?
Yes.
No, your lights are pretty good right there. Pointed. You have the big... Donald.
Yeah?
Okay, winch in.
Get the Land Cruiser sliding. Oh, truck's coming up.
I was stuck on a tree. The four-wheel drive engaged too. Keep winching. Okay.
Can you see everything?
One less throttle, man. Hey, Dad, you can cut it out. Let yours off. Hey, stop. Halfway up. Nope. What do you think about, do we rehook that one to the rear of the Avalanche? And then try driving the diesel down this way? Pulling it up with that, or leave it hooked to the front? Or just hook the Land Cruiser to the front of the diesel with a short rope and start pulling with both of them? Well, I just want to pivot the diesel. Because it's not going to go forward at all. You're not up on top yet. Well, no, but it'll start. I want to pivot so this has something to go because we're bottomed out already. I know, that's why if you start going that way, this will come up as it goes forward and that way. Right. If we use the Land Cruiser to hook on that still, it'll help it come up. Let's just leave it hooked up right how it is. Dad, I'm going to just pivot it this way and drive. Tighten yours back up. And as his comes up, just go ahead and help it along.
Yeah, you're good.
Okay, now pull down.
Okay, son, walk towards me.
Oh, it keeps powering on.
That's okay. Walk towards me real quick. Because Caleb might have to make a fast move. We have that Land Cruiser with the dim headlights. Run up to a snatch block up there where you can't see. And there's a winch line running all the way back down to the back of this Avalanche. And then we got the blue diesel hooked to the front of the Avalanche. And now they're putting Wanda's winch to the front of the blue diesel. Wanda back up now into a better spot to pull on the blue diesel. I got my son in the green Land Cruiser, gonna hold the brakes. There we go, now we can see some stuff.
Alright, go ahead and winch for you.
perfect. Keep them there. Turn back, driver.
Can't tell that tire's floating way up in the air.
Right there, man.
Kind of see it.
Okay, come on, Dad. It's coming. I know. If you spun the wheels, it'll come easier. I just need to go forward a bit. You want to run Mom's winch?
It's all the way now. That's where it went down.
Okay, release yours, Dad. Yeah, that hooking on the rear really helped. That was a whip.
What I'm doing. This is Donald driving. Donald driving the green Land Cruiser a little bit. How was that, man?
Fun.
You got to drive.
Yeah.
First time driving on a recovery. How's it feel?
Nice.
On a slick snow road. Good job, high five. Yeah.
No, the four-wheel drive doesn't work on it. The lights, the buttons don't work, and the light flashes. Yeah, I could feel it try and engage a few times, and it'd start helping, and then it would quit, and the light would flash, then it'd start helping, it'd quit, and the light would flash. It's got
stupid shit.
It's got over 300,000 miles on it.
Ben's a Chevy person. It's a long-running joke. I have Chevys too.
Well, and
Don't hate.
it's got a lot of miles on it. It definitely needs some work.
Yeah, 300,000 for a Ford, just breaking it in.
Unless it's a gas motor, and it's the third motor.
If it's a Triton motor, I agree with you. Okay, well, why don't you go ahead and get started down?
I'll start easing down. I'm not touching the brakes at all.
Yeah.
The brake makes just as much noise. It's just a hair faster than I go, but we're getting down to where there's more dry pavement now. I have zero traction at this speed. If I touch the brakes, then this is just, yeah, there's nothing. Yes, but if you do start sliding, I can't help you.
By sheer coincidence.
So the GoPro died just a second ago, so I don't know how much it caught, but I was just showing the vehicle, showing the damage, and just saying it's got some issues. It's got no rear brakes, it feels like, but luckily Ben is a skilled driver, and he's got a lot of experience with stuff like this in these kind of conditions. And unfortunately, we've had to drive a lot of these, you know, 3/4 of the way broken vehicles down. So he was able to do a good job of getting it down safe, and we are going to leave it here for the customer. This is where he wants it. So I don't know if he's going to trailer it home, tow it home, or try to drive it, but he is aware of the issues. Renegade AT5s. Radar.
Never heard of them.
So Don't
They,
run
they
Renegades.
don't look like a horrible, like they're totally wore out, but
Well, I think with a lot of these style of all-terrains,
they just did not
when
do
they get
well
down
at
under
all.
50%, they're hard rubber, and they just don't have any sort of traction. They might be a lot better when they're brand new.
They did not have any traction, that's for sure.
And between the braking issues and the tires, definitely why he went off the side.
It got beat up a little bit, but not horrible. I mean, for what it went through, there's very minimal amount of damage compared to what it could have been, that's for sure. No, not much worse off than it was going up there. So, cool.
Okay, well, we are gonna jump in the trucks and head back. We have the other Jeep to deliver as well, so we're gonna, go meet up with some customers and drop off some keys. And appreciate you guys watching. Go check out our links. Obviously, we have the TikTok now and Instagram and those. We also have our website. It's got our t-shirts on it. I'm not wearing one right now, but go check us out. We got stickers and t-shirts. Our website is bentoffroadrecovery.com. So check us out.
And remember to do the YouTube stuff. Like, share, subscribe, the bells, things, all that stuff. It does help. Thank you.